Hey, if you were looking for the easiest way to communicate in any language, you're going to be able to do that with these TransAI translating earbuds. The brand did send these to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. The first thing you're going to notice is this case. You can go ahead and charge this with the USB-C. They do give you the cord to do that. It's got a touch screen right here with all kinds of information, battery power, etc. Let's go ahead and open these up. This is what they look like. These are the wrap around the back of the ear type. They're very comfortable. Right? So once you take those out, you're just going to take one like that. They just wrap around the back of the ear and they sit nice and comfortably on top of the ear. What I like about these is that they don't go actually like into the inner ear, or they don't sit on the this little part of your ear. After a while, that can be very, very uncomfortable. So these are very like lightweight. I feel like they're not really touching my ear, but now I have it set to translate my native tongue into Russian. So let's go ahead and see what that sounds like.
Теперь у меня настроено переводить мой родной язык на русский.
Right, we are set to translate into French. Let's give it a go.
Nous sommes prêts à traduire en français.
Okay, we are set to translate from English to Chinese Mandarin.
好的。我们已设置为从英语翻译成中文普通话。
From the menu here, you can literally pick out any language. You can speak into any language, and you can go ahead and listen any language. They are all in here. It's amazing. So this took me about 10 minutes to set up. It's not that hard. You just got to pair it up with Bluetooth, download the app, and then from there, it kind of walks you through on how to set this up and how to start using it. They do have a tutorial video in there, but it's so user intuitive and it really is so easy to use. This is going to be a game changer if you're traveling anywhere where you're in an environment where you just don't speak that language. This will be a tremendous help to you. Tons of applications for this, but especially if you're going to be traveling overseas, this is going to be a big help. So they did a great job with this. I'm really impressed with the technology in here. These work really well. Definitely pick them up and check them out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.